What's poppin' in nation? It's your girl Dayla here, aka Miss Celeb. If you ain't gang, do you like what you saying, what you doing? And I'm back with another YouTube video. Today's YouTube video is going to be me getting my hair pressed for like the first time in forever. It's been like on the real a year. It's been a year. I haven't had a trim, press, anything. My hair looks crazy. It looks so bad under here. And the girl I'm going to, I've never been to her, so she's going to wash my hair and give me like a whole little treatment or whatever, press my hair and style my hair. I've never had a perm, I've never had anything like that, and I don't plan to start. The only thing close to that I've had is going to the Dominicans, and they fried my fucking hair out. But my hair has grown a lot, but I know it's like some heat damage in here somewhere because I done had to leave out. Oh my god, y'all, I had these locks, bruh. I took the locks out. I cut so much of my freaking hair. Like, it's like 3 pieces of hair that's cut. The hair was this long, like my real hair, if I drag it down, it's this long to my chin. I cut it, so if I drag it down, it stops here. So I'm like kind of bald head in different places. Ugh, it's a mess. So we're gonna see what this girl can do. I hope she can work some magic, baby, because under this bonnet ain't so pretty, okay? So y'all, this is my outfit of the day, my doll season, my top and bottoms, okay? If you want to have the same exact fit that I have on, then you can purchase it down below. My website, doll season, I have some available. So I'm just about to be on the way to my appointment, and I am Ubering, y'all. If you know me, you know I don't know how to drive. I don't have a car because I don't know how to drive, but I had a terrible Uber experience. Some days ago, like 2 days, like 3 or maybe 4, I don't know, like 3-4 days ago. Terrible Uber experience. It really motivated me to want to learn how to drive and get a car because, yeah, I don't want to go through anything like that again. Nothing happened to me actually, but something came close. Like, I really thought something was gonna happen to me. Like, I really thought I was about to get, you know, like yeah. And I also hate how every single time I get in an Uber, they be flirting. Like, anytime it's a man, they always flirt. Like, I even tell them I'm underage, they still try to flirt. Like, I don't like that. It made me so uncomfortable. Like, I shouldn't have to deal with that. Like, I'm paying you to take me where I need to go, and I gotta deal with you flirting with me, and I'm uncomfortable. Like, I don't like Uber no more. Like, Uber is just getting worse and worse. I don't like it. So, yeah, I'm really over Uber. But luckily, this Uber is a female. So, yeah. Oh, I forgot a mask. I hope I don't need a mask. If this Uber be like, you need a mask, you need a wristband, I'm gonna be mad as fuck, girl. Oh, fuck. I don't got no mask, honey. No, I'm not gonna mess with you for the free. I don't even know you.
And then you'll go under the dryer with a hot towel so it can steam and really penetrate. You'll go under the dryer for about 20-25 minutes.
Okay.
Are you tender-headed at all?
Not really, just a little. Okay. Oh, and a few pieces of my hair, well, when you get to like the pressing part, I cut like that. I cut by mistake taking some fake locks out. It's like 3 pieces like that.
Okay. Yeah, I see it. You just want to do a silk press to kind of give your hair a break.
Yeah. Okay. And I like these curls too. I seen in this video. Which one was it? Yeah.
Okay.
Like, I love that. And I like the side part. It's been so long since I had like
like professional shampoo.
Yeah. Like a year, because I got a I got like a silk purse a year ago and a trim and stuff, so it's been a year.
Okay. All right, is that comfortable? All right, let me know if it gets too hot.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
My head is so big.
Alright, so you can follow me to the jar. Did you want any water, coffee, tea? We have margaritas. Are you okay? Okay.
Just the water.
Okay, room temp or cold?
Cold.
Okay.
Thank you.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Yes.
You see this hole right here?
No.
You see that hole? I would say at least there. Let me, girl, look at this though. Like I see it's starting to split up a little bit, but of course I wouldn't cut up there. I would pull it up and see where it's thin like that. I would cut like that.
Right.
But if you don't want to do all that today, that's fine. But at least, like I said, I want to even it up from where this hole is right there.
Okay.
And that'll help your curls pop too.
Okay.
Until you reach my feet, baby, baby. And return to the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. Then dip me underway. You can feel my foot flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. But until